Right, stocks and news. For that, let's go to our researchers, Navneet and Yatin. They both are ready. And let's start with Navneet. She's got a list of large cap stocks.
Morning, Nikunj. Some of the telecom counters will be in focus when the market opens today. Well, yesterday, TRAI released the industry growth revenue data for the March quarter. If you look at the revenue for the March quarter, that grew by about meager 2.9%, and in that, Idea share grew by about 90 basis points, contributing 15.7% to the total industry revenue. Whereas Vodafone share also increased by 50 basis points, but Bharti share decreased by about 50 basis points. So you could see some reaction that could. These stocks will react to this data. The couple of other telecom counters like Reliance Communication and Tata Tele, their share also slipped by about 10 basis points and 30 basis points respectively. So keep an eye on all these telecom stocks today that will react to their market share news. Moving on to the cement space, which will be in focus. Well, Supreme Court will be hearing the appeal which was filed by all the cement companies post the CAT order. Competition Appellate Tribunal had passed an order stating that cement companies will have to pay about 10% of the penalty which was levied by CCI. After that, you had the cement companies appealing to Supreme Court, saying the quantum of penalty which is to be paid is unjustified. And CAT had also stated if these companies do not pay the penalty, the case will be dismissed. So keep an eye on all the cement counters. As Supreme Court has stated, the hearing will be resumed this week. So tomorrow is the hearing. So keep an eye on all these counters. Moving on to ICICI Bank, HDFC and Axis Bank. Well, yesterday post-market as RBI announced the penalty on these three banks. Well, RBI has penalized Axis Bank with an amount of 5 crore, ICICI Bank 1 crore and 4.5 crore coming in for HDFC Bank. Some relief because RBI in its statement said that there was no evidence of money laundering seen in the investigation.
What about small and mid-cap stocks then, Yatin?
Well, Aisha, keep an eye on, pharma mid-cap company Elder Pharma, because the Economic Times has reported, quoting sources, that the debt-laden company is finally looking to dispose of the entire company as far as the promoter group is concerned. The company has appointed Ernst & Young as well as Nomura to find a buyer as far as Elder Pharmaceuticals operations in India are concerned. And, largely, if you look at the valuations, the paper has quoted that the company is likely to be valued at close to 3,000 crores, a significant premium to the current market price. And also what we gather from sources that Pfizer, Sanofi, Glaxo as well as some Japanese companies are in race to acquire a majority stake as far as Elder Pharmaceuticals is concerned. So let's see how the stock reacts to this news report. Also watch out for Essar Oil, and they have signed an important gas agreement with GSPC for the Dahej to Jamnagar pipeline. Basically, this agreement is that Essar Oil will procure close to 2.5 MMBTU of gas as far as GSPC's operations are concerned in the state of Gujarat. So let's see how the stock reacts here. And finally, we have mid-cap company Zentech, wherein Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and family have sold a majority stake under the buyback scheme.